from you know say you're in love and you're full, that means that you have sense.
It's like I understand. I'm in love there. I'm in love with you. I'm in love.
Well, Brittany, you one thing, at least you
Yeah.
keeping it real. Cause I've been there before. When me know so the boy no mean me no good. But me in love. I've been there before.
No, I don't. I don't believe. I don't believe it don't mean we're not good enough. I feel like it mean me good, but sometimes how you treat me for real is like I look over it and I'm like, oh, did I look over that? So that's how I feel about him. How did I look over that? That's how I feel right now. So
Why
I
you
guess he's seeing it and he's taking advantage of it. I don't know. What do you
I'm gonna
think?
ask you. Why? What if why? But feel like, alright, I don't even know if it's okay. You know, so me and Zozo wanna take tea. I'm name I gonna bring me down and cuss me. I don't care. Honest to God, Brittany, me no know. I don't know. Because I'm afraid I don't know pay saying no because 1 minute on our class and cuss each other next week on a dip on vacation. So me no know. Me try to stay out of man and woman affairs. I mean, like you said, behind the camera, when you end the live, things are different with the two of you, so I'm not there. But from what we see on the media, it's like the boy just intolerate you because him no say you are the queen, you are the trophy, you are the prize. So him tolerate you. But sometimes it's like him can't take it or I don't know because the things where him say, some I don't know, joke or not, anger or not, no boy can't talk to me like that. I'm stay there. You understand? And if everybody around you, comment section, your family, friends, I tell you, said the boy needs to go. I'll never forget when I see him in a spirit. I say, I go chop you up and the things then. Remember the first time on the fight? When Brittany, imagine, let me tell you, you have to know when a man don't like you.
No,
Or
because the day when Yankee come, Yankee
this is
didn't
before
have box in
Yankee.
the morning.
Oh, another box. Okay.
Oh yes, again. I
No, Brittany, let me
forgot.
finish what me I say. When Zozo claims say you use the NSC buckle and lick him, I saw what you did. All you did was you take the buckle and you go so. And the way him getting a spirit and go
And the
on.
day he fight me off on the live, he fight me off the day, pop off all of me jewelry, everything, pop off of me. Yeah, he
That's
fight
not
me
good
out that
because
day
it's
the
only gonna get
wicked.
worse. Brittany, it's only gonna get worse. It's only gonna get worse. It's only gonna get worse.
No, but starting over for me is gonna be very hard because you wanna know
Sometimes you have to
why?
start over, goody.
Because you wanna know why? Because my whole page is about him.
So, start a new journey.
It's not so easy to start
It is.
over.
It's really that easy. Yes, it is. Start a new journey. Start a new journey. Thank you to everyone that was tapping and gifting. Start a new journey. Sometimes we stay in situations longer than we should because we're scared of starting over. Me will start over a million times. No care. No boy. Especially no broke boy. To me. I'm who I am. I take care of me. Brittany, you're gonna always be who you are. No matter where you go. You're gonna always be you. So why you feel like say you can't start over? You can't. That's why I always tell women, you can never make your whole identity be a man. You can never make your own identity be a man. Remember, say you have your name long time. Brittany, you may have went through a season in your life. We all go through shit. And one thing about God, he sent people into your life for a reason and a season. That means for them have to do it forever. Yes, we acknowledge he helped you. Yes, he was an angel sent from God. But by him helping you, he got his blessing. He got his blessing. And we all understand that. You're not owe nobody nothing. You're not obligated to nobody for the rest of your life, Brittany. So you don't have to feel like you gotta sit and deal with no disrespect. None of that. Because eventually it's only gonna tear you down and it's gonna start making you feel low of yourself. And then that's gonna put you back at square one. It's gonna put you back at square one.
One thing about me, I'm going to have fun. So for those who wanna know about me and Yankee and this and that, I'm gonna have fun. So
Right, this so. Have fun, girl. Live your life because everybody live for them life. But I would just say be safe and. But oh, yeah, got have fun with Yankee and Yankee there with Annie.
well, we never use protection, and right now I'm worried about my status.
Wait, stop. Hold on. Wait, hold on. But wait. So, Brittany, oh, you got have fun with Yankee and Annie there. So, Anya, your matey. So,
No, we had unprotected sex. There was no kissing. We never kissed or anything. We never did that. It
all
wasn't
of that,
nothing
honestly, I
personal.
would have rather y'all kiss. I would have rather y'all kiss. So, not already go far. What me I try say is, you are say you are gonna have fun with Yankee. You and Yankee still a text?
No, he told me to block Yankee and delete the videos, and I deleted it. So, being that I deleted it, that's why he started to show up his colors and, carry on with his style, you know?
So, remember
So,
ask you a
another
question.
thing.
But you know say Yankee and Annie there.
Well, I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really care.
You don't know
But
or you
all I
don't.
care about is about me having STD or something. So
Well,
yeah.
I would just
Well, at
say.
least I was honest with him. I never came back with the coochie and then had unprotected sex with him. I told him, look, we had unprotected sex. We
I love
cannot
that.
have sex raw and I think it is good too because I don't like the feeling of him coming on the live every time he ejaculating me and realizing I'm not pregnant. He gonna go on the live and tell the people them I can't breathe, I'm a mule. So I don't like that either. So the condom sex is not so bothering to me. It's like a good feeling. Nobody will call me a mule that time. Just
All
let
right,
them bag
Brittany,
up, you
listen. This is what
understand?
I'm gonna say.
So with this bag up change now, he doesn't like it. And that's why he wants to call it quits with me. So I hope you guys understand where it's coming from.
Okay, so listen, I would say go get yourself checked out. You don't have to and you can do
Yeah,
another.
I did a ACEs about 5 months ago.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, if you could go listen, go
So
do a full checkup now.
but you have to wait 3 months. When you have unprotected sex and you don't trust this partner or whoever you're doing it with, you have to wait 3 months to find out if you
Yeah,
have
but Brit,
something.
listen, I
If
understand,
I
but
go there
outside of
now, everything is gonna be how I left it good. So I have to
no,
wait
listen,
3 months.
Brittany, if you're, we get that, but if you're worried about having unprotected sex with a person, there's other things outside of HIV that you can get. So what I would say is you can do the test now, and then you can still go back in 3 months. You never know. There's other things they can get. So just do the test now, and then you can still go back in 3 months just to get a little safety of mind. And then there's a thing where don't just do the mouth swab, do the full blood test but test now and then also wait in 3 months. And let me tell you another thing. There is, and I believe them have it in Jamaica. There's a thing called PrEP. If you had sex with Yankee and you felt like, oh my God, you don't know the status of this person, you surely got a clinic the next day. Them have a pill where you can take within 72 hours, which can fight against any little thing. So just keep that in your mind for the future. Keep that in
Yeah.
mind. Okay? But I would still suggest you go down to the clinic, get a full panel test, make them test for everything on the panel. Don't just sit down and think about HIV. There's
No, but
other
I'm
things you
trying to
can.
tell you that when I went to rehab, they did me test down from herpes, syphilis to all of those things. They had me test down up on the Karma Original Hospital. I did all those tests before. And when I came out, I did another test and everything was good. Me and Zoe went to do another test before me and Zoe started to have unprotected sex. I tell him we need to go and do a test first. And me and him went the day and we did it and two of us was good. And since then we started doing it raw. That's all me and him had unprotected sex. Me and him never just have unprotected sex like that.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm glad you guys are both working on your sexual health and taking it serious. But I still think you should get tested now and take another test with Yankee. So I wonder if Annie, cause you know, some see him in a bed with Annie. You think he might have sex with? Me mind my business. But you and Annie, but you and Yankee can't date again, girl. You can't talk to Yankee again because he's with Annie.
Well, I don't really care. I just don't want to have AIDS. That's all. I'm not saying nothing is wrong with it, but I'm just saying I don't want to have
Yeah,
AIDS.
I don't think you're gonna have.
And shout out to anybody on my life who got AIDS, man. Don't give up, bro. You feel me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and just taking the medication and not infect nobody else.
Right.
Yeah. And
Don't infect anybody.
I also think you're overthinking, Brit, but it's also good that you're thinking that way. So it's good, and just don't do that shit again.
So I told him when he asked me if me and Yankee had sex, I told him yes, and I told him we had unprotected sex. And since then we have been using condoms and so on. I even went as far as going to the doctor and reporting that I suspect I have a STI or a STI, yeah? And they gave me some antiseptives pills and stuff. So I've been doing my stuff, you know?
That's
I've been
good.
doing my stuff.
That's good, but just don't do that shit again because now y'all worry about it, and you know what it is. It be the stress after. Like everybody have look unprotected sex, but it be the stress after. So for avoid that stress and the
And to
headache,
something. That's why he came on the live and then he was like, Yankee shot you. But Yankee, I don't know if he shot me or anything, but you know, I told you I think it was my period, and then I had a lot of like it wasn't really no period. It was a mixture of both stuff. So I'm like, I need to go to the doctor. And I went to the doctor and I got some stuff and cleared up myself. Understand?
that's good. When the last time Zozo him go to the doctor?
I don't know. Remember, he's Mr. Perfect. He never did nothing else.
That's the thing.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then tomorrow, I wake up, I see this brown discharge on my panty. And I'm like, brown. And then I see a
Oh, but
mixture
you know
of
what,
blood.
brown? Yeah, brown
Then
comes
I
up
see a
when you
mixture
swallow.
of blood in it. Of blood. So I'm like, this is like my period. I'm like, I haven't seen I'm like, I haven't seen period in like 6 months. And I'm like, wow, this is good.
But
So then
also
it's
remember,
like
Brittany,
brown
because you haven't
again.
been on your
It's like
medication.
brown and red. Brown and red. It doesn't have any smell or anything. So, but it's flowing like period. It's flowing like period, but it's brown. And I'm like,
You know what I'm saying?
wow, I
But
need to go
Brit,
to
you
the
know that
doctor.
sometimes you can have sex intercourse and it could cause your period to come down. So from your said brown, that more sound like when you're either spotting or your first kind of when your cycle come on. Also, you say you haven't been on your medication for a month, so you're good to not even know when you. Just don't be paranoid. Like I said, go to the. We can talk and speculate. Once you go to the doctor, get your checkup. Do what you have to do, but that sound like all blood. Because you see most STIs, if it not green, yellow, and stink and smell like fish. Yeah, and let me ask you
It
a question.
wasn't smelly.
Let me
No
ask you,
smell.
the Yankee come in you?
I don't know. I don't know.
It right
Because
teeny, but Yankee body friendly.
no,
Yankee
I had
body
bought a bag
friendly.
of condoms because I'd buy a pack of
Is that my Wi-Fi or Brits, guys? My Wi-Fi at Akko?
like,
Wait a sec, babe. You were breaking up on my end.
what you Man, I don't more to say. Honestly.
All right, now let's send no more, Gabby.
Honestly.
Brittany. But what are we a Yankee friendly duo? That's why, girl, take Yankee out your book. I think it's all blood that came down. And by you having intercourse, Yankee would be.
No, but why would it be brown? It was brown. Brown
Because
as
that's all
brown.
blood. Because you haven't had your menstrual for a long time. So that's all blood. Remember, you have your uterus lining, so it's been you haven't seen your cycle in a long time. It's old
Okay,
blood,
let me
girl.
try.
It's old blood. Did it come with any itching?
No, no itching.
Yeah, so it's probably just it's old blood, girl.
No itching, no smell. So I'm like, but yeah, anyhow, I went to the doctor and I explained what I was seeing on the pad, and she prescribed some antibiotics for me, and I took them one week
Did you
worth.
finish them?
So,
You finished them?
but yeah, I finished them and I was really open with it. I never hide it from him. I show him it, and then he was like, this is what Yankee got you taking. And I'm like, just to make sure, just to make sure I'm on the right
But you said,
page.
Brittany, one thing I will say, you've always been honest. You're very honest and transparent, right? So you're honest and transparent, and you let him know. And look what him do. Him come bring it like to the media. Those things is not
Well, he
needed.
wanted to bring it on the live one night, and he even went in my bag to show the people them the pill, and then when he was to show them the pill now, he stopped. But I
Yeah,
don't know
remember,
if
it's not
you
really a
could
big pill
remember
on him.
one night he was here on the live and he was going and he got up to take up some pills. I don't know who was on the live. I don't know who was on the live, but he took up the pills to show the live, but I don't know what make him not show him the live, but he never bothered show them in the camera. Yeah, and he carried on. Yes, he carried on the night for it. So I'm not sure what it was, because remember I tell you I don't see my period 6 months. I just see something pop up right after sex. So it was like the next day it pop up.
Brittany, you just need a break. You guys need a break from each other. I really want you to focus on your Wi-Fi. If we need to send somebody there, we still have our little me, Ken,
Well,
Nikki. We still have our
well,
little WhatsApp group. We could try to
the
get somebody
listeners
to come look
guy
about the
and in the
Wi-Fi.
round. Well,
Eh?
one guy what they run or install people Wi-Fi. I don't know why name, but in charge 23,500 for install Wi-Fi.
Well, let me know,
But I
girl.
will
Then we just
try.
go home. Go fix your Wi-Fi. Go home. Take a break,
As the
girl.
car by him get to eat me. I don't know what it was, girl, but all I know, when I start to take the medications and so on, it take time and clear up. So,
Brittany,
what
me
you
can
learn
ask you a
from that?
question.
Use
I
a
could ask you a
protection
question
when you
about the
have
car.
sex. Not for using a protection, not for using a boots. You understand? Not for protect when the
Brittany, I wanna be
innocence.
I wanna be
Because I
nosy.
never know.
You don't have to answer. Did you help Zozo buy the car?
No.
Oh, it's all
And
his.
even if I did, I wouldn't. And even if I did, I wouldn't tell you.
Oh, you need not tell me. So if you break up with Zozo, you don't care if he moves on with the car.
I don't really care. Remember, he get what he wants. So what to do?
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Okay, so chat. I say that to everybody. On the leave Zozo on him car. Leave Zozo. Brittany wants him to have the car. He hustled for the car, guys. So just leave him, make him prosper. So I'm gonna stop bothering him. And Brittany don't care, because if Brittany want a car, she has enough supporters. They'll help her get a car. Paying us to
Yeah,
people
don't talk saying for break up with me, and he said me's not a good girl, me's a muckers, and he said I never married me on the live in front of everybody. Everybody heard. So yeah, I'm there.
I just want you to be healthy and happy, Brittany. I just want you to be healthy and happy. Don't you want to be happy?
I'm happy. I'm not really sad or anything. You know what? You know what would make me happy if my family accepted my relationship. I believe the reason why my relationship is going down the hill right now is because of my family. Like they don't like Zoe, and Zoe is cool to me, but they don't see that in Zoe. They're not frightened for Zoe. So Zoe wants to break up with me for that reason because he feels away and he deserves good family around him, you know? So
Does Zozo family accept you in his relationship? Do you know his family?
well, they came over one time and they had this beautiful family dinner. It was very nice. They cooked and we drank and we talked. It was fun. It was beautiful. You want to see a photo?
Yeah, show me.
Okay.
Show me.
It was beautiful. Next is mom.
Oh, my mother look young. Another striped dress. Wow,
Yeah, and I
Zozo
said
mom is
that
actually good looking. This,
beautiful. She's beautiful.
yeah, she's good looking.
Yeah.
I've seen Florida. She's actually good looking. Why?
Yes,
His
she's
mom is
beautiful. She's
pretty. Yeah, she's
and
good
she
looking and she
have she
looks
have
young.
and she have a very nice personality as
Oh my
well.
god. Yeah, I'm of a
Yeah.
nice mom. Oh, that's nice. Why? That's why I said Brittany. I don't know. Zozo just gotta stop. Zozo just needs more patience. I think Brittany, you have a strong personality. I really and truly feel I said Zozo can manage it sometime. He can't handle your personality, and he needs to just understand that he needs to have a little bit more patience. He has to have a little bit more patience. That's the only way it's gonna work. And he must just kind of stop being so disrespectful, girl. Cause of the
Well, he
disrespect, gonna make
doesn't.
his family not like him.
Well, he doesn't know how to do that. So
Gucci baby, me feel so too. But let me see. Me have to work over Britney said. Let me see. Yeah, the fam everybody looks nice and happy.
yeah.
I mean, I know that's all you want, Brittany. Like, a family, just good support. Listen, I
Yeah,
think
but
Zoe.
his family accept me, but my family don't accept him. So that's
Yeah, but
causing a big
Brittany,
barrier.
you're not telling him to go suck his mother. You're not telling him those disrespectful things, are you?
No, if he tell me, I tell him back. But
No, you
not
tell him
all the
suck his
time,
mother.
because not all the time I want to argue every time. But but yeah, I'm not innocent either. I'm not gonna sit down here in front. I'm not innocent.
Why?
He give me them, he give me them, he give me them. But me not really go on, I'm not really disrespect his mom because me respect his mom. You understand? I don't really disrespect his mom.
Yeah, I just feel like Zozo, it must tone down on the disrespect. Remember, no mother wants to see their daughter being ridiculed, being when they're ready for tear you down and tear you down. Nobody wants to see that. We want to see you back on your meds. Brittany, you need to get back your faja. Why you're not in your
Yeah,
faja this trainer, girl?
worry about that. You don't have to worry about that, especially with him. So I'm gonna take his word for it. I'm like, will he have it and even tell me? Understand? Me take a big risk and me deserve one little conk in her back. Yeah, but nobody not perfect. You understand?
So
So that's why
everybody's
him
saying,
said.
but Brittany,
So
everybody
that's
trying to
why
say
it's
that.
all
Oh,
said in God. That's why it's all said him a go break up with me. I may believe say him a go break up with me
but let me
because him
ask you
say
a
me's a
question,
muckers.
though.
I may believe me's a muckers and him say me's a mule. I may believe me's a mule. So let him
So
do him
Brittany,
thing.
Goff, let me ask you a question. All right, everybody's saying that you cheated on Zozo, but what happened to the white woman that he was on the phone with?
So that lady cheating. Why say my fly out on my Airbnb? And then when me see him on the match tonight, he tell me something for go and go do my thing. So me do my thing. Cause me didn't know on different vibes too. Me not different
Exactly.
vibes. In
So
company life
everybody
I
that
play
told
me a tough guy. In company never play me so tough guy. He not go on nowhere, not go on like him and miss nothing. So me just do me thing, you know. And
But that's
say
how
go,
I
I
feel about
like.
you. Because everybody had come down pan you and say you're cheap. Could I swear me did two on screen recording with him pan phone with him whitey.
Star, remember say me and you used to friend for a long time. Do you remember when he came to my place and they locked me up?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am a one policeman, you know. The man one policeman drag me go over there, you know. I mean I tell him say let me go. They now let me go. Him and the policeman drag me over a hospital place. And then me see them tie me up. Then tie me up the day and something. And then me see him come round and start ball. So you know, he come round start ball or something. So me I say, oh, what kind of something this? So then you wanna know how long they lock me up for? 1 month. So you not gonna tell me say some star in other time there, he never the cheat. You not gonna tell me that. Because he did have a full length to do what I wanna do.
Let me tell you something. You see, me not put nothing past no man. Me not say him do it, but me not put nothing past no man, Brittany. So me not vouch for no man. I'm not gonna say he was being unfaithful, but me know say him did outside, him did get a highlight, him did make the kinds them. Me say him did a brav, him did a go a place, him did a drink, and you know all the bar fly them stay. Cause them won't look on a man, you know, once them broken up, but them know say little kinds are coming. So me not go say him do it, him not do, but I'm not putting it past him. You know what I mean? I'm not putting it past him.
Right.
But we can't watch no man and we not watch no cocky and it is what it is, you know.